Welcome back guys. In this video I will be showing you how you can use dual space like on Xiaomi devices on any Android phone. For that you need this app from Play Store called Island, and still in early access. It was from early access from a long time, so you just hit next and install it. It will take some time to install it on your phone. So it is basically creating a work profile on your phone. So work profile is meant for the office environment. If you are in a corporate, in a business or office, so you will have a separate work profile for all the work related apps and a separate personal space for your personal apps. So it's for that purpose, but this app enables you to use it for personal use as well. You don't need to be in an office, so we can take advantage of that. So it creates this mainland and then an island. So mainland is your main phone where you have all your apps that you have installed. There is also this features, so it requires root. And island you have this new work profile where you can add a clone or a duplicate of any apps. You can see the app drawer. You have two sections. Your work profile is different and your main apps are here. So you can also uninstall the island and your work profile will still remain, but you need the island app to create duplicates or clone of any app. So I'll recommend you keep that app. So you can see in the account section there is a different work profile. You can add your Google account from here. So you need the island app. Since there is no option to add any app from your mainland, so you can add your other Google account to this work profile, so you can access your apps and download from there as well. So you install it on your main device, the island app, and now you are able to create clone of any apps that you have on your main device. For example, I'll create a clone for this Chrome browser. And as my device is rooted, so I just can grant this magic permission and it will automatically create. But even if your device is not rooted, there will be an install prompt and you can install it from there, so no issues there. And you can see my Chrome browser is there, and if I open up from this section, you can see it's a fresh install and I can just set it up like a new device. So it's really good for a lot of purposes. You can have multiple WhatsApps or Telegram. I'll show you that as well, how you can have multiple WhatsApp account. To create multiple WhatsApp account, I'm going to show you. Just locate your WhatsApp app. In my case, I have installed the WhatsApp business account, so I'm going to locate that. Once you found it, just click on it and add that, and click on that plus icon, and it will, if my device is rooted, so it's asking for root permissions, and that's it. There will be a new WhatsApp clone in your island. And when you open it, you have to go and open it from the app drawer, and you can see this is a new WhatsApp screen. So you can add your another number and you will have two WhatsApp. You can also destroy your island that you created from this option, and it will delete all the apps and data that has been on that island, and you don't have to manually uninstall each and every app, so that's a good thing. So this is a really great app if you want multiple WhatsApp or for any purpose, for the real purpose as well, to have your work and personal profile different. So this is a very cool app for that. So I highly recommend you check it out, and if you find this video useful, please consider subscribing to my channel. We are on a road to hit 300 subscribers. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.